you're gonna nestle the front of your foot in and just click in. Then I hop onto the bike, kind of gotta look to do this. Nestle in your front clip, spin the pedal down until it clicks in. One of the biggest complaints on the Peloton forum is how hard it is when you're a new Peloton member to clip in and out. It's really not that hard to clip in and out. I feel like my first time, I was afraid I was gonna break something because you really have to get used to it and you have to trust the pedals and that you're not gonna break it. So what you do is, I stand on one that's down and you're gonna turn your heel out. So, whoosh. You can go, this is how I usually get out. Step on this side of the bike, turn my heel out and get this side out. How the instructors prefer you to do it so that you don't cause any harm to your body and how they're always demonstrating it, let me clip back in, is when you unclip, you're gonna unclip this one first, and instead of putting it down like I did, they like you to cross it over and then turn your body towards the bike to unclip. I find that that's not how I normally do it, but both work just fine. So don't be afraid of it. You're not gonna hurt it. Trust the machine.